Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I hope everyone is doing well. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And all those who have been following me and supporting my channel, I appreciate you. If you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So guys, today I have an unboxing for you guys. And I wanted to show you how my box came. Um, this is exactly how it came. Someone re-taped it, and it feels like whatever I ordered is in here. So let's get into this unboxing. This is not going to be a long video. I'm thinking that this is one of those bags that it hasn't been on my wish list. I'm not going to say it was a wish list item, but it's an item that I've been curious about for quite some time, and a lot of people in the handbag community have this bag, and I figured since the summer fun sale came, I'd take advantage since I had some points. So I got it for a good deal, and I said, you know what, this is the time to go ahead and pull the trigger, and let's see what it looks like. Uh-oh, I'm still missing a spot. Okay. All right, guys, are you ready? Okay, I'm gonna take the strip out first. This is the Dooney medium Russel bag. Yes, my first Russel in the color natural. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's get into it. Looking good. It's looking good. It's looking rich. This is travel time, and this may be a bag that goes with me on travel. Oh wow, look at that. I don't know if you can tell. This is a nice smooth bag. I just scratched it trying to get that off of there. It's a piece of plastic, little round circle. So sorry, did not mean to do that. Look at this. This is really nice, and the leather feels so nice and soft. It's nice and smooth. Can you see that, guys? It has the back pocket. Now this is my first time seeing the Russel in person. Nice size, deep pocket. I could throw my phone in that. Take this plastic off. This is really nice. Okay, I see now why everybody loves this bag. Look at the bottom. Everything is just smooth. It has like a little character, just, you know, it has definitely some leather characteristics in it, but it's a nice, smooth, squishy feeling. It's not, I could tell this has some weight to it. Okay, so they gave me a dust bag, some filling, which I kind of like. I don't have a bunch of filling to get rid of. It has a key leash inside, and then it has two pockets on this side, like the normal Dooney setup. The smaller pocket here, like big enough for sunglasses, and then your regular size pocket. And then on this side, you have the slip pocket, and you have the zipper pocket, also lined in that red which is a nice touch. Lined in the leather around the pockets. The gorgeous Florentine green suede. The luggage tag. This is really nice. And Dooney is having another sale, 4th of July sale, 30% off. They just had a summer fun sale, and that's when I got this bag. And now they have the 4th of July with the extra 30% off. I'm trying to take this plastic off because I just want to take this in, all of this nice leather in. It has the nice snap closure. See, it's trying to snap on its own already. So it's really strong magnetic snaps. Just line it up and they snap really easy. Really nice. Nice leather tote. This handle drop, I see what people are talking about. Wishing that it was a little bit longer. Smells so nice. The nice Florentine leather. I am pleased. I'm glad that I got the natural. I only have, let's see, I have the natural sandwich, the sandwich satchel, that's a natural, and then I have the Clayton satchel in natural. And so this is my 3rd natural, and I'm really happy with this. I can see this being a bag that you carry, and it could be a nice travel bag. You can carry a clutch, nice wallet, clutch, crossbody with this, and then everything else you carry. And so then when you get to your destination, you know, you don't necessarily have to carry this bag. Or if you want to carry this bag and just walk around town, I wouldn't put a bunch of stuff in it. Maybe just to carry a beach towel or a jacket and a few necessary items in this tote. So there you go, guys. That is my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.